In this guide, I'm going to explain how to access and manage your saved passwords in Google Password Manager on an Android phone. So first, we need to go ahead and access the Google Password Manager. Go ahead and search for the Google application, or you can also go to the Gmail app. Click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. From this page, click on Security and find an option. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll get the option of Password Manager. You can see that I have 14 passwords saved in my Google account. Go ahead and select this option right here and you'll get the list of websites or apps whose password has been saved in your Google account. If you want to go ahead and access that, you need to click on it and then enter the command pin of your phone or anything that you have set up. Then after you can click on this eye icon right here to view the password of that specific app or website. You can also click on this copy icon right here and the password will be copied to your clipboard and you can use it to log into that specific website or app. This is how you can access and manage Google Password Manager on your Android phone. If this information was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.